Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts here. Do you want to see the difference between a good, clean caulking job versus an ugly caulking job? Stay tuned. Any of you who've watched my videos know that I am a stickler for perfection. I want things to look as perfect as possible. I've gone to jobs and I'm gonna show you what I've seen from others who've installed windows for customers and then how ours turn out. This is something that I'm not trying to show off how clean our jobs turn out. What I wanna show you is something that you can show somebody that is trying to sell you windows how you expect your windows to look when it's done, okay? So I want you to use this as a tool for what you expect from a window install, okay? Let's start with this. This is a bad caulking job, okay? You can see in the picture, this is an interior of the caulking lines that are just smeared. They're all over the place, they're discolored. This is the wrong caulking application. When I talk about installing windows the right way, this is what I'm talking about. Okay, this is wrong. If you look at this picture, this is how we would trim on the interior and the caulking that we would use on the interior. We do not want something that's going to turn yellow, that's going to separate from the frame. It's going to blend in perfectly with the window frame. And you can tell that it's super clean, right? We use what they call the painter style. Water on a sponge, and you make these beautiful little beads, and what you need for that is a very specific type of caulking. It's an acrylic urethane, water-based. And now, so you've seen the inside, a bad install and a good. Let's look at the outside. This is a very poor use of caulking on the outside. You can see it all over the frame, you can see it all over the stucco. I saw this and was like, oh my gosh, you know what I mean? So we have to go and install another set of windows in this customer's house, and she's gonna see the difference and is gonna be obviously blown away. Let's look at a good picture of how the exteriors should look on a retrofin window. So that's what we're looking for. We want something that's going to have a good appearance, not be smeared all over your brand new window frame, all over your stucco. Keep in mind, this is for retrofin replacements. You're not gonna see this typically with a block frame or a new construction. New construction, you're not gonna see any of this because you've peeled away stucco and you're replacing stucco, so this is not something that you're gonna see. But when you're talking about a retrofin replacement window, leaving the main frames, putting a retrofin over the exterior, you wanna make sure that you're doing clean work. I know we do, and I'm sure that's what you would want. If you can find pictures like this online to show, hey, Mr. Window Salesman, I wanna make sure my windows do not look like this. I mean, if I'm gonna sign with you, take this and say, for the Smiths, we gotta make sure we're not doing this. Whatever you have to do, right? Hopefully this video helps show you the difference between a good install and a nasty install and how to prevent it. Any questions or comments, put them in the comment section below and I'll reach out as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.